Racing just is started Valiente. Break quickly at the start touch of class. Zufra is already outside. Accuracy in the middle portion. Manpower, Fanciful, Royal Jada, while Interceptor is the early trailer ram going along for the first turn. We have Valiente by about 3 lengths. Touch of class is right behind in second. Zufra is racing into the Accuracy comes next. Royal Jada, Fanciful, Manpower, while Interceptor still racing in less. Back to the leader, we have Valiente maintaining a 2.5 lengths lead. Coming closer in second is Touch of Class. And on the outside, Sufira Accuracy comes next. Then followed by Fanciful, Manpower, Royal Jada, while Interceptor is still racing less. Last 400 meters of the race. Valiente, Sufra, Touch of Class, Accuracy now moving up for the outside. Finds some winning down on the inside is Fanciful as they swing for home. Valiente moving up. Sufra, Accuracy, Fanciful is down on the inside. We have Sufra, Fanciful, Accuracy on the outside, but it's still Sufra followed by Fanciful, Accuracy, and finally Sufra. Close between Fanciful, Accuracy, then comes Valiente.
8672.